Good morning, this is Dave coming at you from Grand Blanc. Another video. This is Tuesday morning, about 9 o'clock in the morning. I've been here about since 7, but we've got Dixie waterproofing here. Right now we're actually getting the basement walls waterproofed. We went with like a really good product. It's called Watchdog. It's a company that I guess is basically turns more into like a rubber film. So even if you get a crack up to a 1/16 of an inch, it will stretch with the concrete. So I just figured for the little bit of extra money, since I am in clay, but here I'll get a shot of the pump being used in this truck right now. Pretty specialized piece of equipment. And I have the guys from Hill Steel. He just popped out of the hole. Oh, he wants me. Hold on, I'll sign off, see what he wants.